Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 201.
FunMath number 201, and this problem is based on one from the 2002 AMC8 that we were working on this morning. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you have two rectangular boxes. One has sides x, y, and z, and the volume is 100. The other has sides 2x, 3y, and 5z, and the question is try to figure out the volume. And this is kind of similar to what problem number 14 on the 2002 AMC8 was. Okay, how do you want to approach this problem?
Well, we can figure out what this is. We know x times y times z is 100.
We know x times y times z is 100 because that's how we find the volume of a rectangular box, right? We just multiply the three sides, right?
Yep.
Multiply. Okay?
So 2x, not plus. 2x times 3y times 5z. And this is what we want to find out.
This is what we want to figure out. And this is kind of a tricky thing to
2 times 2
multiply
times
out.
5 isn't too hard.
Okay, what is 2 times 3 times 5?
It's 30.
30, alright.
So this is 30 times x times y times z. But x times y times z is 100.
Okay, so what is the volume of this box?
30, it's 30, or just two zeros. 3,000.
3,000. Okay. So the volume scales by multiplying the numbers together. And we can see this with these two Rubik's Cubes. Here, can you hold the 4x4? Now, if you pretended the little cubies were the same size on these, because even though they're not, it actually would be pretty awesome if they were. It'd be a giant 4x4x4. Okay? So how many little individual cubies does the 2x2x2?
Well, it's got, you mean the stickers? Or the
No,
the
like
cubes?
actual little cube, smaller
8.
cubes. It has 8 because it's 2x2x2.
Mhm.
Right? Now, this isn't cubes all the way through, right?
Yeah.
This doesn't have anything on the inside because
This one has an Xbox symbol on the inside.
yeah, this one has a funny looking thing on the inside. But let's pretend instead that it was all little cubes. That it was a square of cubes here, a square of cubes here, a square of cubes here, and a square of cubes here. How many total
What's
cubes
a 4
are
by
there?
4 by 4,
Okay.
which is 64.
64. So this goes from 8 to 64, and all you're doing is multiplying each side by 2, right? And what is 64 divided by 8?
It's 8.
It's 8, so you get an extra 2 times 2 times 2 on this one. Okay, so that's how to think about how these scale. It's a good thing to keep the different size Rubik's Cubes in mind. How many little cubies would a 5 by 5 by 5 have if it was all cubes? 125. Okay. Okay, now here's the challenge one. How about a 1 by 1 by 1?
This one.
This one. Okay. Good job, sweetie. Good job today.